What if I tell you that designing beautiful picture for Instagram and making funny and fancy thumbnail for YouTube channel is easy and free? If that is what you are searching for, then this video is for you. My name is Tanmay Tarte and today I am going to tell you about how can you make aesthetic post on Canva. Canva is widely used because it is easy and user friendly. And how can we use that for our advantage? Let's jump onto the computers and I'll show you exactly how you can make something intriguing out of Canva. Okay, so in order to open Canva, you have to go to Google, search Canva, click on the first link available and you'll be redirected to this interface. I've already logged in, so I'll be logging in, but you might have to sign up, set your accounts with emails and you'll be fine. As far as I am concerned, I'll just log in. Okay, so once you are done with the login part, you'll be looking at the same exact interface. As you can see right now, there are already numerous amount of templates waiting for you to customize and do your work. The lower you go, the more template you see. And that's the beauty of Canva. You have numerous amount of templates just waiting for you. Also on the top left side, you have an option for template for different varieties like social media, personal, business, marketing, education. Trending topics are also available. The best thing about Canva is they keep on updating the templates, so you are always connected with the new trends. You also have a discover option. You can choose search, icons, products, everything you need to search is already available in Canva. On the left side, you have recommendation template for you option. All your designs where everything you create will be stored. Recent design for everything recent you create. Share it with you, brand kit, content planner, all the folders are also option available. If we go up, we have YouTube thumbnail option. That's what we'll be making today. YouTube thumbnail for this same video, how to use Canva for beginners. We won't be customizing a already made template, but we will create thumbnail from the scratch. So in order for us to build something from scratch, we have to go to create a design, select the size. I'll choose 1280 by 720, create new design. So once you enter the designer creation space, this is how it will look like. This will be your main Canva. In the middle, you have variety of options available here. On the right, you have download option, many things to download, share option, Canva Pro, untitled where you name your title, files option for you to start design, save and stuff, all the things you can do it here. On the left, you have tools, templates in various amount, elements that you can search such as photos, shapes, all the accessories available right in the elements. On number 3, upload. You can upload media from this device. Number 4, text, most important part. Again, variety of fonts available to select. Number 5, again, quick option that you might want to add in. In the middle, again, as you do changes to your main canvas, option on the white strip will appear. Now to make a YouTube thumbnail, we'll need a good background color, right? You can always add photos, but I'm gonna go ahead with the plain background. Turquoise color it seems. As it depicts the color of Canva, we'll go with the turquoise color. Once you click, the color appears on the main canvas. Now I also have a picture that might be intriguing for thumbnail. So I'll go to upload, upload media, devices, select the picture from the device, press open. The picture will appear. I'll tap on the picture. It will be appearing on the main canvas. I'll resize it a bit. Place where I want it. This one looks perfect. I'll drag it, resize it a bit more. Position it perfectly. Seems perfect to me as of now. I'll have to resize it. No, I'll have to reposition it. Okay, I've done the repositioning. This seems perfect. Let's go on with it. Now we do need an element like square or rectangle to write a title upon. So I'll go to elements, select the shape we need, go down a bit, see what's there. I'll select square, click on it, drag it a bit, resize it a bit. You can also change the color of it, which seems very definite in this case. Now this seems perfect to me. I'll go with the white color. So there's the white color. Now we do need a text to write on it, right? So again, we'll go to the left side on text. Varieties of options available as you can see right now. I'll select one of them. This one's my favorite, so I'll select on it. Delete the unwanted part. Replace it by what you want to write. I'll write how to use Canva for beginners. adjust it a bit. I'll just place it a bit. There we go. Now you can see the white stripe we talked about earlier comes into the picture. You see the options available there? You can choose spacing in between the letters and the lines as well. Adjust it after spacing the way you see fit. Again, the white strip comes into the action for uplifting the text. You can align the text, add bulletin and stuff. Here's the part. You can also add effects such as shadow effect, lift effects, splice if you want. I'm gonna go with the lift because that's my favorite. So this video is brought to you by Mavenwit. So I'll add the logo of Mavenwit, which is again in my device. Tap on it, open, drag it a bit, place it where I want to. Now this seems perfect. I'll just drag it a bit, resize it a bit, so it is at the perfect position I want it to be. That's perfect. Also, we can add something for Canva that would make it a little bit more appealing. So we'll go to elements, type Canva. Again, numerous option gets available for us. Select one of them, tap it, drag it, resize it a bit, position it a bit. Looks fine to me. This seems perfect. Okay, just a bit upwards. Now this seems perfect to me. Looks perfect. Done. Now our YouTube thumbnail looks ready and about to be saved. All we have to do is click on the download, select the file type. JPG, PDF standard, PDF print, MP4 videos, GIF, everything's available. I'm gonna go with PNG because it is high quality image and size is not as big. So I'm gonna click on download, click on the file, and boom, your thumbnail is ready to use. I told you before, it was super easy to make a thumbnail on Canva or any of the poster as for that matters. Hopefully now you have a firm idea of how Canva works. And if you do, make sure you like and subscribe the YouTube channel of Maven, because we will be back with tips and tricks of Canva for year 2021. Till then, sayonara. This is Tanmay Tarte signing off.